Alright. Plug that in. This printed out quick. There it is. There it is. Let's quick print this out. How's everybody doing? Oh. Make sure this is plugged in. Top loaders and sleeves are all ready. Let's grab this and we'll get breaking. Alright, there it is. Okay. Yeah. Monday night late break. Let's go. And I'm going to bed. Henderson, John. Let's tag everybody quick. Pedro's in a bunch. We got Bruce. Mike, Kev. And Corey. We got George. We've got George and Julian. Jarrell's in it. Welcome, Julian. I think this is your first break with me. Yeah, we pulled some nice ones out of this so far. What's cool is the archival autographs have some really good players in them, like good Hall of Fame veterans. We got Lou Brock, we got Steve Carlton. Forget who else. We had some good ones though. Scott Cook is in it. Yeah, he's good. Travis Pedro, Scott Pedro, Christopher Pepple. Almost done. Pepple and Cam and Steve Hanna. There, Steve's probably sleeping. They're both probably sleeping. It's late. Adam Hogg, Godsey's in it. Chris Sharp down right out. Come on now. There we go. Do I have cameras? Yep. Sharp, yep, McAtee. And that is it. So number one is live. There you go. Yeah, I was just going to say, anybody getting rain on pretty good? We've been getting rain pretty bad here, off and on. I'll just write that later. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I can't believe he had this. I was like, please tell me I have some more museum for me. And he was like, I do. And I was like, I'm coming to get it. I'll try and get a third one if I can. Looks like Chrome's coming out this week. Probably do some of that as well. There's the first, the second, and the third. 3 of them. There they are. Okay. Teams. Diamondbacks, Godsey. Braves, Godsey. Orioles, Richard Henderson. Red Sox, Ketteris. Cubs is Soto. White Sox, Evans. Kefauver's got the Reds. Henderson's got the Indians. Rockies is Corey Carell. Tigers, Lorenzo. Astros, Evans. Royals, Henderson. Angels, Durrell. Soto's got the Dodgers. Cuck's got the Marlins. Wyndham's got the Brewers. Soto's got the Twins. Cuck's got the Mets. Soto's got the Yankees. Pepple's got the A's. Cam Hanna's got the Phillies. Steve Hanna's got the Pirates. Adam Haas got the Cardinals. Durrell's got the Padres. Godsey's got the Giants. Sharp's got the Mariners. Rideout has the Rays. Rangers is Ketteris. Blue Jays, Chris Sharp. And Scott McAtee's got the Nats. That's how it played out in the first quarter. Yeah, it's crazy what's going on with cards anymore. Like, I'm going to have to start going in on like a Tuesday and just stockpiling because you get the lower price on release day. If you wait a week, it's like ridiculous. Alright. Well, we'll make it work one way or the other. I kind of hope to see a lot of rain. Kind of relaxing. Oh, wow. Rain so far. Yeah, you're going to get hit. It looks like up around New Hampshire is going to get hit pretty bad. They're talking like 4 inches of rain in the next couple days. I know it rained, like Reading-wise, pretty bad over the weekend. It was flooding all over the place. Like Reading, Pennsylvania. They closed part of Route 222 up there. I don't know if it was because of the rain or if it, maybe a tree fell. I don't know. It was closed all day on Sunday, though. All right, first box of new case. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we are. Good luck. What are we going to pull? Alright, first one. Second one. Here's the third one. These gloves are driving me crazy. Come on, stop it. And there goes 4. Alright. First box is on the table. First pack, first box. It's like we have Ted Williams, Red Sox. Ohtani, Angels. Mays for the Giants. Oop. And then we've got Chris Paddock, quad, game used material for the Padres. 45 out of 75 primary pieces. It's like a bronze parallel. And that is a 197. There you go. And that's going to Julian Durrell. George Springer of the Astros, 4 out of 99 purple. That's going to Bruce Evans. He picked up the Astros. These are 159 or 79. That's 59. That fits pretty good. Second pack. We got... Alright. We got Jimenez, White Sox. Lou Gehrig, Yankees. There is a Bryce Harper canvas card for the Phillies. There you go, Phillies. That would be Cam Hanna. I'll just sleeve them for now. I'll top load them when we're done. And then our hit is Tim Anderson. Bronze, 6 out of 50, archival autographs. These autographs are sweet. So the White Sox, that would be... Where are you? Bruce Evans. Picking that one up. Gets an archival autograph of Tim Anderson. Number to 50. And then Noah Syndergaard, bronze for the Mets. What else we got here? We got Ortiz, Boston, Acuna, the Braves, and Bo Bichette's rookie card for the Blue Jays. I'll sleeve them up and top load them. Then that's Chris Sharp. There's not many rookies per case, it seems. I don't even think there's 10, so I just sleeve them. Yankees, DJ LeMahieu, archival autographs, 95 out of 199. It's my first Yankee one. It's Pedro grabbing that one. They're kicking butt. There you go. So we got a Yankees hit there, and then George Springer bronze for the Astros. All cards ship in my break, so every card that we pull for your team is going to you. So you don't have to worry about that. All these base cards even. Alright, we got Buster Posey, Giants. Altuve for the Astros. Votto for the Reds. And then we have a Sean Green, New York Mets. What is that? Signature swatches. Relics. Dual relics. 25 out of 199. There you go. Autographed dual relic, number to 199 for the Mets. Sean Green. Cool, that's going to Scott Kuck. It's got some pinstripes in there too. Blue ones. Nice looking card. We didn't pull barely any Yankees out of the first one. That's a good sign. We got an autograph of him. There's Sandberg for the Cubs, bronze. And that's the first box. Alright, second box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There's one. And there's two. Three, that felt different. And 4. Alright, there's box 2. Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah, we just didn't get any in the first case. This might be a loaded case, who knows. First case, we pulled a few in the second half, but they were all like jerseys. No real autographs. Like a dual jersey, I think, was the one. Sabathia and I forget who else. Alright, we got Freddie Freeman of the Braves. Luis Robert rookie card. There you go. Jack Flaherty of the Cardinals behind him. These Luis Robert rookies are going for like crazy amounts of money. And we've got Max Muncy, Dodgers. I did pull a Gavin Lux out of this. There's a 92 out of 199. That's my second Muncy. I remember getting another one. Dodgers would be Pedro. And then there's Babe Ruth bronze for the Yankees. And there's a sticker. Alright, we've got Bellinger, Dodgers. Ramirez, Indians. Devers, Red Sox. And our hit is for Kansas City. 5 out of 5 gold. Jorge Soler. Triple relic signature swatches autograph. Numbered to 5. There you go. Royals. Picking up a low numbered Richard Henderson. There you go. Autograph, triple relic. One looks like a bat and then 2 jerseys. Gold parallel, number to 5. That would be cool to have a frame, but not so early, right? Hey, it's cool any way you look at it. I hope we pull it. If not, we got 3 other chances. There's Sandberg purple for the Cubs. It's going to Pedro as well. We had a good Cubs case the last round. That's where the case hit was. Anthony Rizzo silver Sharpie. Number to 15 framed card. That's 12 out of 99 there for Sandberg. And then we've got third pack. We have McKay, rookie card for the Rays. Chapman for the A's. Judge for the Yankees. A quick sleeve this guy. So we're doing all rookie cards sleeved. Padres, Joey Lucchesi. 5 out of 50 signature or meaningful material. That's going to Julian Durrell. And then we've got a Josh Bell for the Pirates. Blue, 47 out of 150. And that's a 59 corner. Yeah, it wasn't a patch. It was a triple relic. Signature swatch card for the Royals. Richard Henderson got that one. And here is the last pack. It's got a thicker card in it. We got Mike Schmidt, Phillies. Barry Larkin, Reds. And who is this? Willie Mays. Canvas collection for the Giants. That's Travis Gotze. And then our hit is going to Boston. Xander Bogaerts, quad primary pieces. 3 bats and a jersey. 45 out of 99. John Ketteris. There you go, bud. Got another Xander Bogaerts. You probably have quite the collection of Museum Boston Red Sox. Pulled quite a few. And then we've got Roger Clemens bronze for the Red Sox. And we're down to pack box 3. What do we have? Let me move this over before I knock the pile over by accident. There we go, there we go. And alright, good luck. What are we going to get out of this? I'm like addicted to that show, First 48. I keep watching it like over and over and over. Pretty crazy. I was watching it earlier tonight while this was filling. That felt. You can feel it if it's a frame card. That one felt close. That's probably just a thicker one. That's heavy. We might have it. We might have it. Alright, let me see. That's definitely, I think that is. That's definitely it. Alright, we'll finish with that one. Alright. Some excitement brewing. First pack of the third one. Tony Gwynn, Padres. Josh Bell, Pirates. And we have a Gavin Lux Canvas Collection. Nice. Cool. There you go, Dodgers. That's Pedro getting that one. And then we have a Jose Ramirez for the Indians. Signature swatches, triple relic. Autograph, number 25 out of 199. Indians, Richard Henderson. Grabbed them right before as I was making the filler, he got them. And I made it and I posted it and I was like, oh, I had to switch it. There you go, you got it. That was worth picking, huh? And then we've got Luzardo, rookie card bronze for the A's. Let's go on to Christopher Pepple. Yeah, sometimes it is. Last time it wasn't. I'd rather it be all over the place. It makes it fun. What is this one? We got McCutchen Phillies, Stanton Yankees, Yelich Brewers. Hey, let me think about when that was. Was it? Yeah, I know it was in the first half the last time. I don't know. It could have been. There's Michael Conforto, the Mets. 39 out of 50 meaningful material. And that's going to Scott Cook. I think that's your second one. And there's Alomar bronze for the Blue Jays. There we go. These gloves are falling off me. Here we go. Oh, we got a quad coming up. There's Story from the Rockies. Ozzie Smith from the Cardinals. Mark McGwire from the A's. And then we've got a quad for the White Sox. Abreu, Anderson, Moncada, and Jimenez. Numbered 24 out of 75 bronze. It's like 2 bats and 2 jerseys. There you go. Who is the White Sox? That was Bruce Evans. That's a pretty cool looking card. There you go. We got a quad for the White Sox. And there's Buster Posey from the Giants, bronze. And how are we going to end? Hold on a minute. I got a box here so I can see the cards on it. Yeah, this is it. Hands down. There it is. Oh boy. Somebody's going to end the night happy. What do we have? Alright, we got the first 3. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Alright, Verlander, Astros. DeGrom, Mets. Kershaw for the Dodgers. And then we've got Lindor, Indians. Blue, number to 150. Let's go on to Richard Henderson. And then our last hit of the break. Last hit of the break is a framed autograph of Roger Clemens, Boston Red Sox, numbered 1 out of 5. Silver Sharpie autograph. Wow. Who is that? John Ketteris. There you go, bud. You got the case hit. Roger Clemens, numbered 1 out of 5. And that frame looks pretty clean. Yeah, I don't see any chips or anything on it. Looks pretty good. Wow. That is a sweet one. So the 2 that I've pulled this year are Anthony Rizzo and now Roger Clemens. The one was numbered to 15. That was Rizzo. And this one's numbered to 5. There you go, bud. Silver Sharpie, Roger Clemens. Beautiful. Museum framed autograph. Where you go. Nice way to end the break, huh? I love it when we end it with something like that. There you go. You're like, wow. Sweet hit. They can go to bed smiling. All right, so recapping it, there's that. We pulled a Lindor, number to 150 blue for the Indians. We pulled a quad, Abreu, Anderson, Moncada, and Jimenez. Primary pieces, bronze, number to 75 for the White Sox. Michael Conforto, meaningful material for the Mets. We got Jose Ramirez, triple relic, autograph, signature swatches for the Indians. Quad relic, Xander Bogaerts, primary pieces, number 99 for the Red Sox. Bell, blue, number to 150 for the Pirates. Lucchesi, meaningful material for the Padres. purple Ryan Sandberg, number to 99. We've got another number to 5. 5 out of 5. Jorge Soler. Signature swatches. Triple relic. That's a nice one. Triple relic auto card for the Royals. And then we've got Max Muncy, number to 199. Archival autographs. Sean Green. Dual relic auto signature swatches for the Mets. We've got a DJ LeMahieu archival autograph, number to 199 for the Yankees. We got a bronze archival autograph, number to 50 for Tim Anderson of the White Sox. George Springer purple, number to 99. And a quad of Chris Paddock primary pieces, number to 75 bronze for the Padres. And then that beauty, Roger Clemens silver Sharpie case hit, 1 of 5. Which one? Who? Roger Clemens. You are welcome. And I sleeved a couple. I'll just quick show them just because I'm going to top load them anyway. We got rookie cards of Jesus Luzardo, bronze for the A's. That is Gavin Lux, canvas collection. Willie Mays, canvas collection. Brendan McKay for the Rays, rookie card. Luis Robert, rookie card for the White Sox. Bo Bichette for the Blue Jays, rookie. And Bryce Harper, canvas card. I'll top load those as well. And you got this whole pile here. So all those cards ship. And that's the first one. I'll put another one up tomorrow. I'll probably do a little bit earlier. We'll see. Yeah, let's just call it 7:30. I'll post it again so you guys know it's coming. And maybe we can get another one done tomorrow. Maybe 2. If it feels quick enough, I'll put a second one up. And we'll do 2 in one night. I don't care. All right. Awesome. Happy Monday. Have a great week. Stay out of the rain. I will see you later. Get a good night's sleep. Be safe.